kaon-kaon ta sa mga low carb meal. Thanks Pregrita. Good morning. This is our low carb meal, sunny side of eggs with our sinigang na pork fox and pastil ni Madam. Morning, our low carb meal, my cashew fruit from Mama V and our mulberry from Cebu, our bangus leftover kagabi kag pork and our chicken nga nabatok. That's it. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb meal, sinugbang belly and our sinugbang bangus and our sausawan. Let's eat. Hello, good morning. Our low carb meal, laswa and our pork. Let's eat. Good morning. Our low carb meal. Ayan, mga collagen, may fried chicken, dirty low carb, and our Bicol Express. Our low carb meal, salmon, egg, laswa, our pork. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb meal, laswa with ulo ng tilapia and our leftover lechon. Hello, good morning. This is our low carb meal, leftover na lechon paksiw and our overload na shrimps. Anan, low carb na siya pero shrimps na kainin natin. Ang ating isda and sinabawan. Morning, this is our low carb meal, fried tilapia, our kangkong, and our pork, and egg. Our low carb meal, padapla chicken, our belly, sinugba. Our low carb meal, paksiw na isda, kay pinakupsan at nilagang pork with our egg. Good morning, this is our low carb meal, may collagen tayo, pork feet, ang aton nga salad na ampalaya, and our fresh na, yung singit na papaya sa puno, fresh from the farm. Good morning, our low carb meal, salad na naman na seaweeds, manggang hilaw, ginamos, sausawan para sa ating sinugbang bangos. Let's eat. Hello, good morning. Low carb meal, dinuguan, meron ka nga papaitan, nilaga, may fruit from the farm na fresh. Laughter. Man tawag pa, Ilocos empanada. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. May leftover na bangos, butang sa laswa, itlog na may talong itlog, saging, at leftover nating seaweed salad. Let's eat. Low carb meal, ito Panoy. Good morning. Our low carb for today, beef, our fruits, atsara, eggs, and our pork fat. Let's eat. Good morning, low carb meal. Leftover natin na fruits, at saka yung ulam kahapon ni beef, and kinilaw na tuna. Let's eat. Hello, good morning. So, bala natin isang belly. Ari ato na sausawan na puno isang sili. Kagang ato na avocado. Kagang ato naging luto di papanoy nga bihon. Hindi siya low carb ha? Siya. Hello, good morning. Our low carb meal. Leftover natin na tuna, kinilaw with our pork belly. Siomay na madaming spicy chili sauce. Our hotdog, sausage, eggs. Let's eat. Good morning. This is our low carb meal. Sauteed beef. Meron tayong eggs, ating balbakwa, beef skin, and meron tayong collagen. Yan yung taba ng ating sabaw dyan. Let's eat. Hello, good morning. Sa nagluto, tadara sa ating balbakwa. Over natin na tuna, kinilaw with our pork belly. Siomay na madaming spicy chili sauce. Our hotdog, sausage, eggs. Let's eat. Kagang aton nga balbakwa. Hello, good morning. Nagpipara kita sa atong piniritong isda, sinigang na hipon, kaya dalo natin sa farm, kanang prito kita sa belly. Good morning, our low carb meal, sauteed buttered shrimps, and our collagen. Let's eat.